Good morning everyone, my name is Cecilia Gracia Karen. I'm a student of Psychology Faculty from SU. Today, I'd like to present a summary of a journal entitled The Relationship Between Psychological Well-Being with Celebrity Worship in K-pop Fans Using Twitter. In my presentation, I'll focus on 5 major issues. I'll present introduction, method, result, discussion, and then conclusion. First of all, I'd like to give you an overview of K-pop and celebrity worship. The K-pop phenomenon has attracted many fans in Indonesia due to the good musical abilities of Korean celebrities. Fans interact with their favorite idols through live streaming and chat features on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Indonesia is one of the largest K-pop fandoms in the world, but the obsessive behavior of some fans has raised concerns. Celebrity worship behavior can have negative psychological effects on individuals. Celebrity worship can be negative, but it can also be balanced with positive psychology approaches such as autonomy and personal growth. Gender, social economy, social support can also influence psychological well-being. Through this study, we want to know, is there any significant relationship between psychological well-being and celebrity worship? Next, I'll focus on method. This study uses a quantitative research type. The type of method used in this study is a purposive sampling method where sampling is taken with certain considerations. The criteria that have been determined to meet the characteristic of the sampling in this study are as follows: willing to be a respondent, boy or girl, K-pop fans who have favorite celebrities, and Twitter social media users. The scale of the research is distributed through the online Google Forms platform. I'd like to discuss in more depth the implications of celebrity worship. This study found that 18% of participants had high level of celebrity worship and 13% had a low level. Additionally, 17% of participants had high psychological well-being and 15% had low. Based on the exposure of researchers and the results of the analysis using Spearman Rule, the hypothesis states that there is no relationship between psychological well-being and celebrity worship in K-pop fans using Twitter, seen from the correlation coefficient with a significant level. I'd like to put the situation into some kind of perspective. The absence of relationship between the two variables may be possible because it is caused by the influence of other factors on celebrity worship. As revealed by research conducted by Eva Tania 2019, there is a positive relationship between neuroticism, openness to experiences, agreeableness with celebrity world, and there is a negative relationship between extraversion and celebrity worship. Celebrity worship is a behavior in which the main element is psychological absorption of celebrity idols in order to build a self-identity. The deeper involvement of someone in the life of an idol resulted in someone being irrational. Finally, I'd like to raise briefly the conclusion of this study. There is no relationship between psychological well-being and celebrity worship in K-pop fans who use Twitter. Based on the psychological well-being and celebrity worship scores, the majority of K-pop fans use Twitter at a moderate level. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.